Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G60S, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and here tap to the sound and vibration section. And as can you see here, we got the ringtone and notification volume panel. Just to mute your ringtone, swipe this dot to the left side with your finger. And also we got the second way how you can do that. Just here on the right side of your device, you got the volume buttons. Just tap to the one from these volume buttons, and here go to the sound section. And by this way, just swap this dot also to the left side. You can just mute your ringtone. And now just to save the changes, tap here to done. So that's it, that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.